In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Airtable with ease. Airtable, as you might already know, is a powerful tool that combines the best aspects of spreadsheets and databases, making it incredibly versatile for various organizational tasks. Now, whether you're working on a project or managing your business records, there might come a time when you need to produce a hard copy of your data. So let's dive into how you can easily print from Airtable. First, you'll need to navigate to Airtable, which is as simple as opening your preferred web browser and heading to airtable.com. Once there, you'll see the homepage inviting you to explore its many features. To get started with printing, you'll need to access your account, so click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Simply type in your email and password associated with your Airtable account. This is where all your data is securely stored and managed, so keeping your login credentials private is key. Once you're logged in, click on Continue to confirm your credentials and proceed to your main dashboard. With your account now open, you'll find yourself looking at all the various bases you've created. For our purpose today, navigate directly to the table you wish to print. This is the step where you choose your specific project or record set that you need a physical copy of. Simply click on the desired table and it will open up, displaying all its contents in your chosen view. Next, you will want to select the view suitable for printing. This can be important if you have different views set up, each with their own unique configurations and data displays. Select the view that best matches what you need on paper, whether it's a simple grid view or a more detailed form view. Over on the right, you should see a print view option. Clicking on this will bring up a preview of how your data will look when printed. It's always a good idea to review this view to ensure that everything is displaying correctly. The layout here will give you an insight into how your table's formatted data translates into a printed format. Finally, once you're satisfied with the print layout, look for the Print button. Clicking on this will open up the Print dialog box, familiar to anyone who has printed documents before. Here you can choose your printer, adjust settings such as paper size and orientation, and then send your document off to be printed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to printing from Airtable. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and soon you'll be effortlessly creating hard copies of your data for meetings, reports, or any other purpose you may need. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.